We've just acquired this Volvo C30 R design. It's the 1.6 petrol, top of the range. It's in lovely condition. It's not our usual stock. We've took it in part exchange. It's finished in absolutely gleaming black metallic, upgraded anthracite alloy wheels. It's got the tannoy cover for the load area, which is in all very good condition. It's got the full R design body styling kit, including the rear spoiler, rear diffuser, side skirts. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors. The interior is in absolutely lovely condition, with a two-tone R design special colour. It's done 105,382 miles. It's got the R design blue dials. It really is nice touch. You've got cruise control, R design steering wheel, multifunction steering wheel. Vehicle's got a comprehensive full service history. Just going to get it MOT'd, and it's just had a new clutch fitted to it. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities, including finance packages, warranty packages, part exchange. We also do buy cars of a certain calibre. Please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.